SR15 upper. I have some other videos on this. I did the Surefire 600 light with the 100 Concepts light cap. So I have a video showing that. I think I also showed this setup. This is a Warren mount with a Vortex. It's a Vortex Strike Eagle 1-6. These are okay. I don't know if I would buy this again. It has a bullet drop compensator, which to use the subtensions or the little bars and measurements underneath, it's specific to a type of ammo, which is fine. It kind of works as a, if you're not using that ammo, it works kind of as a red dot. Not bad. It's decent for the price. Vortex stuff is always good, but just more and more scopes I buy, the less I get excited when there's a compensator in the reticle for a specific round. So I also got the MKM quick throw lever in their FDE color. The Warren mount is also in desert tan, and then this is from Optics Planet. It's a special color they have called Op Mod. But anyways, quick video for those of you with Magpul grips. You know how you have this storage here, and it's got this little pull tab, and then you can pull this out. So I added this. You can buy these separately from Magpul or anywhere else. They're pretty cheap. I'll put a link to this if you want to buy one of these. It's nice to have. They have battery ones, or they have this oiler one. It comes in a box like this, so you can see the different options. Kind of nice to have batteries. You can get the different, there's 4 different types. So I'll put a link to this one. I like having a spare bottle of oil if it's needed. The oil that I use, I like this for the field and even just for cleaning and using, is this Lucas Extreme Duty. It seems to last, not burn off very easily. See, it says maximum heat resistance 38 degrees Fahrenheit to 400, negative 38 to 400. And I get these 4-ounce bottles, and then they also sell these 1-ounce bottles that have a really nice tip for getting like into little areas. It's like a little needle tip, and I find that it's soft. You know, it's like aluminum or something. It's a soft metal, so it doesn't scratch. I can just set it and get a little spurt out, and then it's not like dealing with a big blob. So this just has a little flip cap, not the same type of tip, but still like a fine point tip, and then clicks back on. Doesn't leak. You can refill it however much you want. You can put anything in here. You could put Monster, any gun oils, cleaning, CLP, anything, even Simple Green I use a lot. Just really good cleaner, degreaser, whatever you want, and it just slides up in. Just replaces your old cap, and it's actually got a little bit easier pull tab. So yeah, and it's a Magpul product, so it works with all their grips. I think they have 2 different sizes for different grips. It's not like you're ever gonna notice that. If it was loose in there, then yeah, maybe you would feel a tiny bit of bouncing around. It just sits in here with friction, and it's tight, but it's not super tight. I guess you could put like a little piece of electrical tape to get a little bit more friction if you found that it was coming out too easy. But even if this were loose in there, I don't think it's going to be causing any sort of issues. So flips in there just like it was before. So thank you everybody for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of different stuff coming out, different videos, and we do appreciate any of the support that we can get. Some Magpul bipod, so light, nice to have. These are handy, and I haven't broken one yet. Some guys said if you are super rough with them, they'll break more than like the Atlas or even the Harris, but I haven't broken one yet. So thanks again for watching.